It says your name. Has you got a surprise, Bobby? Can we open it? Can we open it? Oh, this is changing up, isn't it? Smiling. Are you smiling? You needed this today, comfy ass, didn't you? Oh, God. Let's see what you got, Bobby. Oh, pull. Hang on, let's open it. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Let's get this out. Let's get this out. Hang on. Wait. To Tyson, I hope you enjoy your gift. I think you're lovely and funny. I wish I could give you a big hug and a kiss. Oh. Condolences. Her doggy died, Bobby. Big hugs and kisses from us. Oh, and she loves watching your videos, Tyson. And it's from Kirsty. She'll say thank you, Kirsty. Right, let's see what's in the bag. Let's hope this cheers her up too, because you've been in a mood all day, haven't you? Oh, what's that? Got a neck jug. Oh, what? Hippo. What's this? Oh, Tyson. Tyson. What's this? Oh, let's go make you crumpets. Thank you, Kirsty.